What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Modern Mondays, and today we got this Amazon vinyl. Really worth it. I think it depends on what brand you get, honestly. The company this is Vivid. I've heard good things about that brand, but it's only gonna be on the inside, so we'll see. I also bought a brand new heat gun, and I bought some little tools to help with the installation. And now we're just gonna start with the prep work, cleaning off the surface that we're gonna do. All right, so let's get to it. I think it's gonna be a lot easier if I just remove the panels, so we're just gonna do that. You just pull from this side, it's just held in by clips. Okay, got the bottom of the clip off. Okay. I think one of the clips came off. Great. Check the clips, make sure they're not broken. This one, right there. I'm gonna get the other side too. It's gonna be held in by the same type of clips. Remove this bolt and then pull it off like the clips. In order to remove this from the trim piece, there's 4 pins you can push down all at the same time, all 4 of these. There's 2 on the other side. You just push these in and you slide it out. Don't break anything else like I did. Yeah. I'm gonna be using 2 stools, so that way the vinyl touches the least amount of surface that isn't what I'm trying to put it on. So we're gonna clean this up again, and then we'll lay the vinyl. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, my very first car wrap. I'd say not too shabby. Not shabby at all. Okay. It's fucking hot in here, but it looks good. Alright, last piece. Looking good. Whoa. Damn. Damn. Looking good. Forged carbon fiber all the way down here. Whoosh. Ladies and gentlemen, Modern Monday has come to an end. Today we installed Vivid Plus Premium Wrap from Amazon. Link will be down in the description on where to get it. Out of a 5 difficulty, I say it's probably, to make it look good, and it depends on what piece you're wrapping. The pieces that I wrapped, it was probably about a 3 to a 4. It was pretty difficult, but if you just keep trying over and over again. The very first thing I ever wrapped was the dashboard, which you guys actually saw in this video. That was the first thing ever. I actually ended up ripping it all off, and then the next day I ended up restarting the whole process over again. And I think it took me about 2, maybe 3 hours to do the entire trim piece. And it was actually pretty quick the second time around, just because I already knew what I was doing, and I saw some videos on some tips and tricks. Overall, the material that I got was a solid 10 out of 10. I would recommend for anyone to get it. Personally, I don't like the way the design is. I feel like it looks a little tacky, maybe. Maybe because I've ordered actual forged carbon fiber before, and I know what it looks like. And there's probably other websites that you can go to. I could link those down below where you could get a better looking vinyl. I actually have a sample from the website. This one is the matte version. It looks a lot better. I would use this over the one I have right now in my car. Thanks for watching. Leave a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you liked it or didn't. And subscribe for more content. Hit that bell notification. Anyways guys, peace out.